Alright, if you want to figure out how to put windshield washing fluid in your 2018, most likely anything upwards of Tesla Model 3s, you open up the frunk and there's a little cap that has the symbol for windshield washing fluid additive right here. You're going to pop that and you could put your windshield washing fluid into that little hole right there and fill it up all the way. That's how you do it. It's really easy. I got a funnel. Alright, I just used this Rain-X bug remover. That's it. Just top it off, just put this cap back down. Like and subscribe. Thank you.